Hi, and welcome to The Aspiring Actor's Guide to New York. Working title.
It's the Aspiring Actor's Guide to New York.
Yeah. On this channel, we drink wine, we talk about dogs, and we discuss how to pursue a career in musical theater. Or, just do some musical theater for fun. Maybe you don't want to be a professional actor. Maybe you want to do theater on the side. This channel can be for you too. So, continuing the Ace the Audition series, today we're talking about bringing positive energy into an audition room. Now, this may sound like mumbo jumbo or whatever. I'm not talking about like energy. I'm just talking about like bringing positivity into a room. That's all. What I like to do to make sure that I have a positive experience in the audition room is really just, I like to find something to get genuinely excited about. And that's really all we're going to talk about today, is finding something to get genuinely excited about. If you're excited before you go into a room, the people behind the table are going to feel that. They're going to feel that positivity that you're exuding, and they're going to flip a switch in their heads. They're going to have a positive experience too. Even if they decide that you're not right for this role, they'll think of you in a positive light. Even if you tank the audition, if you have a positive spin, they might still like you. Here are a couple things that you can try to get genuinely excited about. Is this a dream show that you've always wanted to do? If it is, don't try to think about booking the show. Try to. If it is like the dream, your dream show, don't get ahead of yourself. We talked about this a couple weeks ago. Get excited about doing the scene that you're doing right now, or get excited about singing this song from the show. Say it's a callback and you're doing some sides. Get really excited about being able to do this scene from your favorite show. And if it's not your favorite show, maybe you just genuinely enjoy this scene and you're excited to do it. Or get really excited about singing this song. This goes back to last week's video and we're choosing the right audition song. If you find a song that you just love to sing, every time you go into the room, you can have a positive experience because you're happy to be there. Or get excited about getting in front of these people. Maybe you're not super excited about the show. Maybe you're not super excited about the song. But maybe there's a casting director in there that you really like working with, or you really have had a positive experience with in the past. Or there's a casting director who works on projects that you are just like so jazzed about, and you want to make a good impression on them. Just be excited to meet them. There's so much to be excited about. There's so much to be excited about, guys. It's like crazy. Sometimes it feels like there are so many actors. But at the same time, in the grand scheme of things, there are so few people who are actually like trying to do this. And you're getting in the room with some of the people who like actually make it happen for people. That could be something that's absolutely nerve-wracking to think about. Or it could be something that you get geeked about. Like, what? This person cast Wicked and they're casting a new musical that I'm auditioning for right now? Like, what? That's so cool. I'm so happy to be right here, right now. Even if I don't book this show, which I probably won't, I'm excited to be where I'm at. Find a way to be excited where you're at right now without being nervous about where you could be. That's basically it. Something else. Maybe it's sunny out today. You've had a long audition season. And audition season's winding down, and it's just so nice out today. It's really nice out today as I record this video, and I actually went into an audition today. And I had a really good time. I literally gave them my headshot and waited for them to call me in, and heard them singing the Jurassic Park theme song. So, because I was playing my guitar, I started playing the Jurassic Park theme song as I walked in. And, maybe I won't book this show. That's fine. I'm excited that I had a good time in the audition room, and I think they did too. Another thing, maybe there's an accompanist in the room that you've had a really good experience with. Be excited that you get to go jam out with this accompanist. There's so many talented people that you get to interact with on a daily basis if you're living in New York, trying to audition for stuff. There's so many talented people. Now, you can let that be intimidating, or you can just get excited about it. I get to work with these crazy talented people. It's very much like, we're not worthy. Another thing, A way to bring positive energy into the room is to kind of change up the pace. Maybe you're going in for a new musical. The music isn't solidified because it's a new musical. Bring an instrument. Audition with an instrument as much as you can if you play an instrument. I play the guitar. I don't know if you can tell. See? Those are my guitars. If you play an instrument that you can self-accompany on, do that. It'll make you stand out. And also, it's super fun. One, it gives you an excuse to practice that instrument. Two, it makes you stand out. Three, it's fun. It's fun to just go in and jam. And if you're having fun, that comes across behind the table. People like to work with people that aren't too jaded by the industry that they're in. People like working with people that still have fun. That's why you started doing this in the first place, right? I'm trying to give you some actual strategies to have fun. But like at the end of the day, figure out a way to have fun and have fun. There's so much fun to be had in the world. And if you're trying to be an actor or you're trying to go be on stage somewhere, like have fun with the audition process. Don't let your nerves get ahead of you and find a way to just have fun. It is harder than it sounds, but it's also not. I don't know, man. Just have a good time. I love auditioning. People think that's weird, but you got to find a way to love auditioning and you're going to be much more successful, I think. What do I know? Am I in a show right now? No. Do I have some shows coming up? Maybe. Am I excited about them? Yes, very much so. Can I announce anything yet? No. But it's coming. So, I think that's all I have for you guys. Write in the comments below if you have any questions or concerns. You can check out some of my other videos right up here. If you like this channel, subscribe. I'll be releasing a new video every Theater Thursday at 3. Tune in next week when we discuss how to choose the perfect monologue. Not necessarily the perfect monologue, but what to look for in a good monologue. So thanks for coming out. Chase your dreams. Cheers.